Good morning, YouTube. Alright, on our way to Zanesville. Gonna do a couple brake hoses, maybe look a couple trucks. Got the dog. The sun's out. It's gonna be a good day. So, hit a thumbs up. There we go. Soaking down all these fittings so they'll come apart easy. The driver's side rear line didn't go as well as the rest of them because it broke. I got the fitting out of the hose, but there's still part of the brake tube in it, so I need to drill that out. So I'm cutting the end so I can put the tube back on, and I can reflare the line. Couldn't seem to get the rear brakes to bleed, so check to make sure the master cylinder's pushing forward. After that, the pedal would pressurize and get hard, so I was able to bleed like normal. Well, after messing with the master cylinder, I must have pushed the air out because I was finally able to get the pedal to get hard, and it started to act like normal. So still seems to be a little bit of air in the system, but it stops. Also, the left rear caliper is hanging up, so we got all new hoses back here since I confirmed that. So he's going to order both rear calipers. Forget what's going on with the right one, but anyway, and I'll be back to do that. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up. See you guys later.